exposing the costly consequences of misfueling. Today, we're diving into what happens when you put the wrong fuel in your car. First, up diesel in a petrol car. Imagine filling up and suddenly your engine's coughing like it caught a cold. Poor performance, damaged fuel system. It's a recipe for disaster. Now, petrol in a diesel car? Think increased friction and a catalytic converter crying for help. Pro tip, don't start the engine, call a pro immediately. Let's get personal. I once added petrol to my diesel tank. Yikes. I topped it up with more diesel and I'll say I dodged a bullet. But a friend of mine, he put diesel in a petrol car, tried to dilute it with more petrol and drove it. Ouch, it was a costly repair. Please remember, misfueling's no joke. Act fast, get professional help, and share your stories to help others avoid these pricey pitfalls. Always double-check the fuel type before refueling. Prevention is better than cure. Stay vigilant and keep your car running smoothly. Let's hear from an expert. We spoke to a seasoned mechanic, Kev, who has seen it all. I've had customers come in with their cars on the back of a lorry because the engines was completely ruined because of misfueling. One case, a driver filled up her diesel car with petrol and drove her car for miles. The entire fuel system had to be replaced. Another real-life story. A lovely lady called Sarah, a busy mom, accidentally put diesel in her petrol car. She noticed the mistake too late, and against the advice of the attendant at the fuel station, she decided to drive anyway after 2 miles of driving the car cut out and won't restart. Ouch! She ended up with a hefty repair bill. Experts say the best course of action is to not start the engine and call for professional help immediately. Misfueling can lead to clogged fuel injectors, damaged fuel pumps, and even engine failure. Always be cautious and double-check the fuel type before refueling. Just know prevention is better than cure. Stay vigilant and keep your car running smoothly. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and remember, knowledge is power. Safe driving, everyone.